Today we are going to study some formulae related to circle. So here on this board you can see there are two figures. First we have to see about sector. So let us see what is the meaning of sector of a circle. Okay. So here in this figure, O is the center of the circle and PXQ is minor arc of a circle, and segment OP and segment OQ are radii of the same circle. So area of this circular region bounded between these two radii and this arc. See, this is shaded portion. This area you can see it is bounded between these two radii and this arc. So this shaded portion is called as sector of a circle. Now this shaded portion is minor sector of circle. So name of the sector we can write. First write down the name of center O, then give dash and then write down this name of arc P X Q. So O dash P X Q is the minor sector and this remaining portion is major sector. So name of this major sector, same way we can write. First write down name of center, then write down the name of this major arc P Y Q. So these are the minor sector and major sector. So let us see the formula for calculating area of this minor sector. So here POQ is central angle. Let the measure of this central angle is theta. Let the measure of this central angle is theta. So the measure of this minor arc is also theta. So the area of minor sector, O dash PXQ is equal to having formula theta upon 360 into pi r square. Area of this minor sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Then area of this remaining major sector, area of major sector is equal to area of circle minus area of corresponding minor sector. See, because this circular region is divided into two sectors, minor sector and major sector. So minor sector area we can find out using this formula theta upon 360 into pi r square, and area of this major sector is equal to area of circle minus area of corresponding minor sector. Area of circle we have formula pi r square minus area of minor sector is this formula theta upon 360 into pi r square. So using this way we can find out the area of sector of a circle. Next formula we have to see length of an arc. Length of an arc of a circle. Okay. So here AOB is central angle which is denoted as theta, and AXB is the minor arc. See, this shaded portion is the minor arc. So we can find out the length of this minor arc. Length of an arc is denoted by letter L, small letter L, equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Okay. So student, remember the difference between these two formulae. Here the sector is the part of circular area. Therefore the formula is theta upon 360 into pi r square. And here the length of arc is the part of circumference of a circle. Therefore the formula is theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. 2 pi r is the circumference of the circle. Followed both the formulae. Then we have relation between area of sector and length of arc. Relation between area of sector and length of an arc of a circle. So that relation is area of sector. So obviously here we have to take minor sector. Area of sector is equal to length of an arc into radius divided by 2. Area of sector is equal to length of an arc into radius divided by 2. This formula, using the symbol, we can write area of sector is equal to length of an arc is denoted by letter L and radius is denoted by R. So L into R upon 2. Followed? So students, to find out area of sector or a length of an arc, questions related to these two formulae may comes for 2 marks. And for this formula, question carries 1 mark. So here maybe area of sector is given and you have to calculate length of arc, or length of arc is given and you have to find out area of sector. Followed? So these 3 formulae we have to use to solve next practice set 7.3. Followed?